ready to go. See, Elle's back with me.
Woohoo!
So we're going to hike from Troutville here in northbound. For a couple days over to the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Woohoo!
See you in a bit.
Bye.
Just transitioning from the wood line to a pasture, and it was a pretty view. So today is the 30th of April. Had a 0 yesterday. Almost had a 0 the day before too. I only did 2.1 miles, but technically it's a Nero there in Troutville. Elle came from Istanbul yesterday, and we went to Roanoke, and then this morning she was anxious to get on the trail, so we'll hike. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then she has to go back on Friday. So, but we'll get 4 good days in. We're looking to do just like 10 to 12 miles. So that's a good picture of Elle with the hill behind her. She took a page out of my book and decided to hike in a dress because my kilt is so free. So she decided to go with the hiking dress. We'll see how it works, let you know. Still loving on my kilt, so gets a lot of attention, that's for sure. Still get constant questions about it. Each new place. Some are just curious why I'm wearing a kilt. Others will ask more about the heritage. So either way, gives me the opportunity to tell them about the Cancer Research Institute and the charity hike. So that is always a benefit from drawing the attention and drawing the questions. So it's great. Anyway, just gonna chug along here this morning. You've got the plan, and we will get back to you soonest. So you can see that Elle brought the good weather with her. The day has been spectacular. Look at the sky. Just crystal clear blue. Trail is very nice. A little rocky, but no real rock scrambles yet. Some of it's been just spectacular. But it's, for the most part, nice and wide, and you just have to watch your footing so you don't roll an ankle, because this sort of debris does hide some rock, but it is been a very nice, easy trail today. Have a nice breeze, just enough to cool you down. We're both in short sleeves. In fact, I'm in a tank top. And when you're in the sun, it feels great to have the summer weight clothes on. And you get that little bit of a chill when you go into the shade and with the breeze, but that's refreshing, I think. We've been kicking along. So a couple of day hikers. And we saw Culligan, who is a through hiker. He was with a buddy. What's up? Hold on one sec. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. This is my wife, Elle.
Hi, I'm Elle.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Calves.
Calves. As in the basketball team calves?
As
or
in
as in
the
calves?
body part, calves.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are
Although
you-
I am
We'll
a
be-
Cavs fan, so it works out pretty well.
That's good.
We'll be
Are you
right
from
with you.
Ohio?
I am.
Me too. What?
This is Salt Pond Road. We just saw Calves. Bags is behind us, so she may come through. We're just gonna stop here for a minute, take our bags off, take a breather, maybe kick it over here on the steps that we just came down. Have just a Cliff Bar or something with some Nutella. Oh yeah.
Jif to go. Crunchy.
Oh yeah, Jif. And then we'll kick it the rest of the way. So we're doing okay. I mean, it couldn't be a more beautiful day. So let you guys enjoy a little bit of it. Get back to you. The Blue Parkway. The
Blue Ridge Parkway.
Blue Parkway. All right, uphill. It's an ascent to start off.
Great. My favorite.
Better than the knee-busting downhills for me.
Nice. That's good.
So, we just met up with RTK again, and with Crockett. So Crockett told us that Footloose, just before McAfee Knob, stood up and said, "I'm done." Walked to the roadway, headed on back home. We're like, what? Footloose cannot friggin' leave this trail. He's not done with the trail. Trail's not done with him. But he decided he'd done his piece. And he's happy and content with what he did, like on trail. So he's like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna go do something else. This grand adventure's done. So, man, it's definitely sort of sent a shock through Crockett and I. I didn't expect that. So we'll have to see if we can't convince Footloose to come back out. Spend some time with the boys again. So, Footloose, if you're watching this, there ain't nothing in Naples. You know that. Come back out here, kick it with the boys, hike some more after you get, you know, the taste of home again. And then you can always come back and simply cover this section after we hit Katahdin. And other than that, RTK's wife came down to saw him, so that was awesome. And now he's still got other friends who are gonna come see him, but he's on a roll today. Do 18.5, something like that, in order to hook up with friends. So anyway, he's looking great, motivated, so that's cool. He had a good, you know, something like communal visit to put a step in the man, so that was good. Nell and I are just tracking along. A lot of people out here today. The towns seem to do that. So they bunch everybody up. And yeah, there's a lot of folks out here today. But it's a good group on a good day, so we're just gonna keep hiking along. Try to get up this ascent right now. All right, out. So this is Wilson Creek, a beautiful water source. And it is just less than a mile from the shelter. The shelter has 3/10 of a mile to go get water, and so that means 3/10 of a mile to come back to the shelter. So might as well get it right here, and then we will carry it to the shelter and we'll go from there. Okay, so here's the shelter we're going to stay at. I think down that way goes to the water. So that's the 0.3, if we so choose. There seem to be people already here, but I'm not sure if they're staying. It's only 2:30. Wilson Creek Shelter. So there's a privy, some good campsites. Those are all the campsites.
Wow.
Yeah, those are good.
Those are great, huh?
Yep.